Hey everyone, welcome to the show. So the Oath Keepers trial resumed today, and a former member named John Zimmerman testified. He told the jury that Oath Keepers leader Elmer Stewart Rhodes was in contact with a member of Trump's Secret Service. Zimmerman said that he and Rhodes were at a September 2020 rally in North Carolina when Rhodes told him that he had the phone number of a Secret Service agent who communicated directly with Trump. He said that Rhodes called this person and he inquired about the, quote, parameters we could operate under. So this was apparently in regard to their protection of VIPs at Trump's rallies and other events. So it, included January 6th, but other events as well. Zimmerman also told the jury that Rhodes believed that Trump would invoke the Insurrection Act to handle, quote, a rogue government. And then he let his political feelings be known. He said, quote, pretty much what we're seeing right now with Congress doing whatever they want. Zimmerman also admitted that during his brief time with the Oath Keepers, they were fixated on Black Lives Matter and Antifa, quote unquote, violence. He said that the two groups were attacking elderly people and single mothers pushing baby carriages. The prosecutor asked him, quote, who do you understand Antifa to be? And Zimmerman said, quote, mostly BLM folks, like they're one and the same. She then asked, quote, who do you believe BLM to be? And he said, quote, mostly people pretty much fighting racism. As I understood it, most people in BLM didn't like Trump supporters. No, they don't like racist Trump supporters. Anyway, he then admitted that Rhodes had a plan to, quote, entice them to attack us, and we could just give them a beatdown. Zimmerman said that Rhodes' plan was to have Oath Keepers dress up like elderly people or as parents pushing a stroller, but the stroller would be filled with weapons. And that's what caused Zimmerman to leave the group. He said that Rhodes had initially described the group to him as an extension of law enforcement or first responders, and that they would go in to help people in need in case of disasters. But Zimmerman told the jury, quote, if we're going to trick people into attacking us so we could give them a beatdown, that's not what we do. And to be honest and fair, this is something that I heard directly from Rhodes' wife, Tasha Adams. She was on my show, you guys might know, a couple of months ago. I interviewed her, and she told me that the Oath Keepers membership soared when they were doing good in their communities. But then Rhodes started to take the group down this dark path with very radical ideologies, and then membership fell off. And then all they were left with was essentially the extremists who were seeking out violence. But to get back to the trial, Agent Pallian testified again. I talked about him yesterday. He testified today, and he said that the Oath Keepers were advised to take something with them called a zombie killer axe. So they were told to take this to the Capitol. There was a document that was prepared by one of the defendants, Thomas Caldwell. He sent this to the members on December 2nd of 2020, and it stated, quote, each team member shall be equipped with a striking weapon. When the battle is joined, apply the striking weapon whenever it will do the most good. I mean, besides being Captain Obvious right there, why are you bringing striking weapons? Anyway, Caldwell's advisory also stated, quote, the overall tactical commander should consider having limited firearms available, which can be rapidly introduced into the mission area. In other words, have a weapon with you when we're doing this stuff. And he said they should make weapons, quote, non-attributable by wearing gloves and then wiping them down to remove fingerprints. Not something you do when what you're up to is totally legit and legal. In addition, Caldwell provided instructions to them about how to create cover stories for their quote unquote mission. And he advised that they use fake names and burner phones because cell phones are traceable. But they weren't planning anything illegal, you guys. This was totally legitimate. This was all totally on the up and up, totally sanctioned by Trump and the Republican Party. Yeah. Anyway, when I hear more, I'll let you know. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.